पश्चिम बंगाल राज्य पुलिस के सब इंस्पेक्टर पद के लिए पासिंग आउट समारोह बैरकपुर स्वामी विवेकानंद राज्य पुलिस अकादमी परेड ग्राउंड में आयोजित किया गया। राज्य पुलिस के महानिदेशक और आईजी श्री राजीव कुमार आईपीएस सर और कई वरिष्ठ पुलिस अधिकारी मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे। उस दिन कैडेट पास आउट हुए।
स्वामी विवेकानंद राज्य पुलिस अकादमी दीक्षांत परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। श्रीमान
An item including badge by bus officers.
परेड को कलम में मंच से गुजरने का आज्ञा प्रदान करें। श्रीमान
आज्ञा है।
Important part, but please have a reality check and also have a physical reality check. So, how do we sometimes the things will look uphill. It will look like a uphill task. It will look like that I need to, I don't know whether I will be able to complete or not. I think for that, and if I have some time. So I'll read that a poem for you, which is written by one of the very distinguished and was around my place. There, the sun was not that welcome and narrowly. It sometimes is very harsh. The eating habits were different. Snow was nowhere there. So sometimes she says, sometimes we keep listening to one side of the story and we get carried away. That is what our meant. We start imagining things in our mind and we start